Hi, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafunda.com. In this series of videos, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss previous year questions from the CAT exam. And if you're planning to prepare for CAT with just few weeks to go, have a look at our crash course on this particular link. Hi everyone, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafunda.com. Welcome to another solved example on odd one out. In these kind of questions, you are given 5 sentences and you need to figure out which sentence is not a part of the coherent short paragraph. Let's have a look at the sentences. As India looks to increase the number of cities, our urban planning must factor in the potential natural disasters and work out the contingencies in advance. Authorities must revise data and upgrade infrastructure and mitigation plans even if their local area hasn't been visited by a natural calamity yet. So 1 and 2 are talking about, 1 is talking about what should be done and 2 is talking about how it should be done, that what the authorities need to do. First one is talking about that the urban planning must factor in potential natural disasters. Second is talking about how they need to revise data, infrastructure, migration plans and everything. So 1 and 2 have to come together. Extreme temperatures, droughts and forest fires have more than doubled since 1980. Now this looks like a good intro. So 3 could be my intro which is being talked about because it is talking about what's happening in the world around us. There is no denying the fact that our baseline normal weather is changing. I think 4 can actually follow up 3, and then it is no longer a question of whether we will be hit by nature's fury, but rather when. So again, 4 and 5 are forming a strong pair that the normal weather is changing. This is given to me. No longer a question of when, no longer a question of whether we will be hit, but when. So 4 and 5 are forming a strong pair. 1 and 2 are forming another pair. 3, which actually looked like an intro to me, which was talking about how temperatures have doubled. If you think about it, it is simply a random fact which is being given. 1 and 2 talks about the planning which needs to be done. 4 and 5 are talking about how the weather is changing and how we are going to be impacted. 3 presents hard facts, hard data, but hard fact and hard data sadly does not have a place in this paragraph because 1 and 2 are forming a strong pair. Both the sentences need to be there. 4 and 5 are also forming a strong pair as both the sentences need to be there, which means the answer for this particular question will be 3. Hope you learned something from this video. Thank you. Hope you like this video and learned something from it. To learn more, please check out our crash course on this link. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be releasing many such videos in the near future. Thank you.